Hey, you guys, it's Jenny McGee. How are you? I hope this finds you doing super, super well. But if it doesn't, maybe this finds you feeling a little bit stuck or confused on your next steps in your business, maybe feeling a little state of frustration. I have absolutely been there. And in the next 30 minutes, I want to walk with you and share with you a tool that has helped me take control of my emotions and has helped propel my art business forward into six figures. And I would love it if you would join me for the next 20 to 30 minutes as we journey into more freedom and positivity to help you grow your art business. So let's get started and let's get real. As much as there is a tactical and sequential plan for businesses and art businesses, there's also an emotional component. Let's talk about that real quick. So when you're feeling really down, your energy is low, you're dragging, and you're just feeling heavy. When you're feeling great, your energy is high and you're light and you feel free. All emotions is energy in motion. And so if you're feeling low, your energy would be low. If you're feeling high, your energy would be high. This was a really big idea for me because back in the beginning of my business, my emotions, they looked like a tornado and my results were all over the place because so were my emotions all over the place. Now my tornadoes have shrunk, they've become smaller, they're more like wind bursts. It doesn't mean that I don't have ups and downs. It just means that I have educated myself and understand my emotions and can utilize my emotions as a tool, as a guidance tool. And that's what they're supposed to be, and not let them control our lives and our days and our situations. So in turn, as my emotional health got better, so did my life, so did my health, and so did my business. The tool we're going to use today is called tapping, or EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique. In a nutshell, EFT uses pressure points on our upper body that can help us release any stuck emotions that might be in our body, helping us feel freer from anxiety, freer from stress. It can help us feel more confident in ourselves and connected to our well-being. Please feel free to leave any questions down below, and I will be excited to address them after the session. So real quick, the emotional tapping points. The first tapping point is this karate chop, this meaty part of our hand. This point will be tapped. The second point is on the top of the head, kind of right in the center of your head is a pressure point. The next point is right along this inner corner of your eyebrow. It's kind of where that bone and soft part meet, right there. Next is on the outer part of the eyebrow, there's a bone. You want to tap pretty close to that bone. Underneath here, under your eye, there's a soft spot where the bone and soft spot meet. That's your next point. The next tapping point is under your nose and right above your lip. And right here, above your chin. And then right here where your collarbone dips and forms a U, on either side of that. There's kind of if it's a little bit sensitive, that is a good clue you're hitting the right pressure point. And then right here under the armpit, not in the armpit, but just a couple inches down. Those are our tapping points. And what you can expect, you will follow my taps and repeat after me. We will identify the issue. You will rate yourself. I want you to rate yourself from 0 to 10. 0 being you're totally at your best, 10 being you're at your worst. We will access any associated emotions with that issue. Then we will reframe the cycle. Issues that might be a little bit deeper rooted, maybe persistent for you, could take a little bit longer to clear, but that's the good thing. We're recording this so you can go back and you can do the exact same tapping sequence and cycle as many times as you like, and as many times as that feels good. So what we can hope for and expect is that after tapping, the issue no longer triggers you and it's just not as significant in your life. So today, I thought we would start on tapping into more self-trust. Self-trust is huge. It was for me, and I bet it is for you as well, in terms of its importance. Running our art business takes a lot of self-trust, and there are aspects that some aspects in our business that feel totally in our control, and then there's other aspects that feel like they're going rogue, wild, out of control, spinning. So together, let's do some tapping on self-trust to cultivate more inner self-confidence, while removing any feelings or emotions that might be blocked inside, keeping us stuck. Okay, here we go.